Alright, so today I wanted to talk about several different ideas that you can use this box of chicken tenders with. I get this at Sam's Club. It's the Country Pride chicken breast tenders. They're really good. They're not cooked, so they are breaded, but you cook these in the oven. I believe it was like 45-50 minutes. They're really good, but there are several meals that you can get out of this box. Costs about $16.98, I believe, is what I paid for it. Of course, chicken tenders, what they're intended for, so that's an easy one. Just add a couple side dishes and you have a meal. You could also toss these in some buffalo sauce, and then you'll have buffalo tenders. Then there's the option for barbecue sauce for barbecued tenders. And teriyaki sauce, and just add some stir-fried veggies with that. All really easy, inexpensive. And then fried chicken. You can make a white gravy, pour it on the top with some mashed potatoes, or you can have the white gravy on the side as a dipping sauce. Chicken parm. You can just add a little bit of marinara sauce and some mozzarella cheese on top and pop them in the oven and melt the cheese. Also, chicken cordon bleu is another idea. So then that would be just baking your chicken tenders as normal, adding a little bit of ham and Swiss cheese to the top and melting that at the end. And then also entree salads. These are really good to bake and chop them up for chicken Caesar salad, chicken bacon and ranch salad. Just add your favorite dressing. And then also, one of our favorite ways to use these is for chicken wrap. So you can bake these, chop them up, put them in a wrap with some romaine and some Parmesan cheese, and you have a chicken Caesar wrap. Oh, don't forget to add the dressing. And then same with buffalo. I've made these with the buffalo sauce, chopped them up, added lettuce, cheddar cheese, tomato in a wrap. Really good, easy. Also chicken bacon and ranch. And that would be chopping these up, adding lettuce, cheese, some bacon bits, real bacon bits, with some ranch dressing, tossing it up and putting it in your wrap. So several different ways you can use this box of chicken tenders. Just save you a little bit of money, give you a few ideas. This is a 5-pound box, so for $16.98 you can make this box go a long way.